Okay, so today's workout is a full body workout. It's going to target your arms, your legs, your core, your upper body, so all different muscle groups. It's a basic one, especially for you beginners who are just starting off and you don't feel comfortable going to the gym, so it's perfect for you to do at home in a couple minutes, so around 20-minute workout. It's not on a timer at all, it's all to do with rep ranging, so you're going to be aiming for certain repetitions, and then you have a little bit of a rest as long as you want it to be, because you're just starting off, and then obviously go back onto the next set. So each exercise you're going to be doing is 2 sets before you move on to the next exercise with those repetitions. So let's get down into it.
Starting the workout off with squat, sit, bear walkouts with 2 shoulder taps. You're going to repeat this exercise 8 times and complete 2 sets of it. So what you're going to do, you're going to crawl forward in the press up plank position, tap both shoulders, crawl it back into a squat sit position, hold that for about 2 seconds, and then repeat the exercise. Like I said, it's going to work the shoulders, core and legs. Okay, next exercise is 1 squat with 2 lunges, and both of those exercises equals 1 rep, and you're going to do that 8 times and complete 2 sets of it. So what you're going to do is have your feet shoulder width apart, perform a squat, step forward and lunge, step back, step forward into a lunge again and step back, making sure that your knees don't go over your toes and that your legs are at a 90-degree angle. Alright, want to isolate the core now. You're going to really feel this on the abs. So what you're going to do, you're going to lie flat on the floor, hands above your head and feet out in front with your heels touching the ground. What you're going to do, you're going to lift one leg up and pop both hands on your shin and try to lift your shoulders up off the ground. Trying to reach as far up as you can on top of your leg. You're going to repeat this 12 times and 2 sets. Okay, want to get the cardio going, and that is skater hops. It's going to get your heart pumping, your cardio going and your body sweating. And all you're going to do is just hop from one side to the other side about 1 meter, bringing the other leg up behind the leg you're standing on, and just bring the opposite hand towards the shoulder and keep that going for 30 reps. 5th and final exercise is kneeling press ups. This is going to work that upper body strength, including your arms, chest, shoulders, and a little bit of core. So what you want to do is have your hands shoulder width apart, kneeling at a 45-degree angle with your knees, and then lower your chest between your thumbs and back up again. And you're going to repeat this exercise 10 times with 2 sets.
If you want to learn how to lose weight, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and also the notification so that you get notified every time we upload a video.